Hello.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good. How are you?
I'm good. So, my name is Katie. I'm from the United States. What about you?
Yeah, my name is Brijesh Yadav. I am from India.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Yeah. Okay, so what can I do for you today? Do you want a lesson, conversation practice, or to read an article?
I would like to conversation practice.
Yeah, so you want a lesson?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
conversation. Okay. Tell me about yourself.
myself,
hmm Yeah,
yeah,
like do you work or go to school?
yeah. So I completed my study. Right now I am doing nothing, but I completed my study with English.
hmm
So I want to be a teacher. So I wanna ask you that. What quality a teacher should have, according to you,
What quality what?
for being a teacher?
Can you repeat that?
Yeah, sure. I wanna ask that what quality should have for a teacher?
Oh, okay. Not sure. I'm not sure. You're doing very good. Your accent is getting a little bit in the way of your words. hmm
Yeah, so I think my English don't understand anybody, right?
Oh, no. People will understand you.
But it feels like that sometime people get confused having listened to me.
Maybe, but you just need to practice. You have a very good foundation of English skills right now. So all you need to do is practice, and then you'll be speaking like a pro in no time.
Yeah, so are you giving cold comfort? Or it's true?
What's that?
I said, are you giving just a cold comfort or it is true?
No, it's true. Um,
Yeah,
the only thing you really need to fix is the accent. You know, a little bit of your pronunciation is getting lost, but you know what you're trying to say.
yeah. So what should I do for that?
Well, like I said, lots of practice. You have to both listen to other English speakers to, pick up how they are pronouncing things, but you also need to speak.
Yeah,
So there's two parts to it. You have to listen and you have to speak.
yeah, I consider on that. So I would like to know a little bit about yourself.
Mhm. All right, so I am 25 years old. I have a degree in psychology. I am an English teacher. I have four cats and four dogs.
Wow,
Um,
you really pet lover, I think.
yeah, I adore animals. If I wasn't an English teacher, I would love to do something with animals.
Yeah, so you can be, I think.
Yeah. So now I am seeing something that might have to do with how you're speaking. When you speak, you are keeping your mouth very closed.
Yeah, yeah, I noticed it whenever I see myself.
Yeah, so you might like try, you know, mimicking other people more, right?
Yeah, yeah. So every day I talk with the native speaker, and after
Mhm.
that I see that many native speakers ask again what you say. So I every day think that we should do something for my accent, and but I get confused that what to do, and after that I just start conversation on cambly.
Yeah, I understand. So I think one thing that would really help with like your pronunciation is the way that you're moving your mouth. You're keeping your teeth very closed and your lips very close together. So if you try like opening your mouth a little more, it might help. I don't
Yeah,
know.
so
So what about you? Do you have any hobbies?
yeah, I like workout most my favorite hobbies, and after that whenever I get confused about my future, my life, my career, so I like reading books.
Oh, me too. What kind
You,
of books do you like to read?
yeah, many there is lots of book like time management and motivation
Mhm.
and
Oh,
physical and mental health and sometimes spirituality I like. So yeah, I really enjoy it. It's my favorite hobby, you can say right now.
yeah. Okay, so you like a lot of self-help books, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
I read more like fiction books,
So
like like fantasy and science fiction and that sort of thing.
so you have completed your degree with psychology.
Hmm. Yeah. So yeah,
So
I graduated with a bachelor's degree in psychology in 2019.
2019, yeah, recently. So I think you recently started cambly, teaching on cambly, I think.
Almost. So I graduated in 2019, and then that same year in the fall, I started a master's program. So I went to graduate school, and then in 2020, after I had completed a year of my master's program, I decided to do something else.
Yeah, so in 2020, I think there was a lockdown in your country or not.
Yeah, yeah. It was hard. It was lockdown. Um, so most of my time was spent inside, but I wanted to start teaching English, so I enrolled in an online program for English teachers, and then finished that, and here I am. And as I am speaking, I'm getting a sore throat, so it's a little hard.
Yeah, so I see a lot of in less age they are doing a lot of things like they are teaching on Cambly. They had completed a lot of degrees. So
Hmm.
I think so you are doing a lot of hard work for that, and that's why you do a lot of things simultaneously, and it's really praiseworthy, I think.
Yeah. Okay. So, did you say what you did for work or school?
I said that I completed my study and
Oh, Yeah,
Yeah,
what did you write English?
yeah.
Sorry, I forgot.
Okay.
So
It's okay.
we're
Yeah.
sort of similar. How long did you study English?
How long I started practicing or just to study?
How long have you been studying English, I guess?
I have been learning English for 5 years, I think, when
Mm,
I started my masters in English. Before that, I didn't take my account into learning English and speaking English because
mhm.
at that time I was not sure that what would I be in my future. But
Yeah.
when I started my masters, that time I started focusing on learning English and speaking English. Yeah, from that time, since then, I really focused on English, and I think
Mhm.
I took a very good decision that right now I am talking to you, and globally, I talk with any country's person. I really enjoy.
Yeah. Yeah, I understand. Again, I also get to talk to a lot of different people, have a lot of different conversations, and it is interesting. I do enjoy it.
Yeah, so having spoken with any person, I really enjoy because I always think that if I couldn't speak English, then how I could talk with this many people.
Yeah, that's that's the funny thing, or I guess the interesting or fun thing about learning a completely new language is that
Yeah,
it opens you up to speaking to way more people. I was not able to commit myself to learning a new language entirely. So I sort of lack what you get.
wow.
Yeah.
So where are your a lot of pet right now?
So I where wait, did you ask where I am?
No, I asked that where is your cow and sorry, your dog and cat?
Downstairs. Okay, well, yes, the dogs are downstairs, the cats are upstairs, but they are not allowed in my room. We're like not allowed in this room while I'm working.
They disturb you?
Yeah, yeah, they do.
Yeah,
They
and
want
when you're
attention.
yeah.
So, what about you? I assume you don't have any pets, but if you did, what kind of pet would you have?
Cow.
A cow? Yeah.
Yeah, I
Cows.
have cow.
Really? You have a cow?
Yeah, because yeah, I like a lot because they give us milk, and after drinking that milk, I feel very powerful.
Yeah. What kind of cow?
I don't think that there is a lot of kind, but whatever uh, have in my village, I like.
Yeah. So my I love cows. I think they're so sweet.
Yeah,
Um,
really.
I live obviously in Pennsylvania. There's a lot of farms around here. So
Yeah,
we have
I
like a
have
lot of
farm.
cows. Yeah. Um, I have actually never had a cow though. Oh, we're almost out of time.
Yeah, unfortunately, but
Yeah, it was great talking to you. I hope to
yeah,
see you
same here.
again. Bye.